Alright folks, I wasn't going to do a video on this, but I don't see anybody putting out a video on the Amyet G60 or V9-G60s, the back tires. The stock Chaoyang tires that come on them, I mean, these things, I got 557 miles out of mine. It wasn't even the tread. The tread probably had double that life. But right here, blew out on the side. You'll see that there isn't any scuffing on this thing. I don't know what the heck happened to it, but it blew out on the side right there anyhow. And I didn't even notice this till I was taking it off. But another one, oops, sorry, but another one right there. Anyways, these things are paper thin. Paper thin. I'm surprised I got the miles I did out of them, especially riding them as hard as I did. I didn't screw the sidewalls over on these things at all. None of them. None of it. I did take it on gravel roads, whatever. And I rode it hard. So good on them. I don't know how they lasted as long as they did. But never again. Anyways. Watched a few videos, not many. Get that up in you. Ultraverse. There are not many videos on these out there. Nothing really showing how deep the tread is. No, nothing. Try to get a good angle on this. Really should have a dime. I'll do that after I put them on. Whatever. At any rate, leave your tires partially inflated. Valve should go just to keep it easy on you in, you know, life where the inflation is for these tires. Also, another thing that these do not tell you, at least not on Amazon. Sorry, my dog's chicken. At least on Amazon, the weight rating. The weight rating is 198 pounds per tire. Bike's only rated for 330. At any rate, the reason why I wanted to turn this on was because of how these tires come off. Ew. Get a rubber mallet. You're gonna need it. It's not a through axle. It just slides down like a normal bicycle, kind of. I had to beat the ever-loving heck out of this thing to get it to come off. Alright. Good luck. I'll let you know if there's anything else. It's a pain to put this back together. I don't have a way to set up my phone, otherwise I'd view the whole, or video the whole thing for you. But yeah, it's the Amyet G60 or V9-G60. Only got 560-ish miles on it. It's quick, I'll give it that much. Has no problem with hills. I've got some pretty steep hills around here, and it takes me up the hills pretty good. So I like the bike. Overall, I like the bike. There's nothing wrong with the front tire. Still changing it. I bought 2 of these bad boys. I'm just gonna change tires. Anyways, have fun.